Hi, Youssef. We're here at 6 Sense Summit in London, our third one. Welcome here. We were in The Hague roughly a year ago when you won. Maybe you can share with us a little bit about 6 Sense experience and kind of what did you think it took to win the whole thing?
Sure. Well, first of all, thank you for having me again. Really appreciate it. 6 Sense for us, was an amazing experience. We had, thanks to you, a lot of great coaches that really walked us through the process. I think it really helped us to better understand our business and especially how our business could contribute to Hexagon's business and how to present that, the day of the final pitch. We were extremely well prepared, thanks to people like Richard Heggie and others that really helped me personally on the pitch. But also, 6 Sense, I think, brought some kind of cohesion within the company around a common theme and vision. And that's something I didn't really expect through the process, but it really helped me after we won, is to get the company rallied around the idea that partnerships are important, that GelSight's success is going to be tied not only to its own efforts, but to efforts working with others such as Hexagon.
Of course, it's been a year, right? We've had fun. What would you say has happened since? Like, how would you characterize what we've been trying to achieve over last year together?
Sure. If you allow me, I'd like to just say a little bit about GelSight,
Sure.
what happened
That would be great.
after 6 Sense.
Yeah.
Because for us, 6 Sense, I would say, was the beginning of a strong positive momentum. And it carried through the entire year. And I definitely am thankful to 6 Sense and the experience for that, because at the end of the day, we ended up 2023 with a record year in terms of revenues. We introduced, I believe, 3 or 4 software releases after 6 Sense, all of them more important than the others in terms of introducing really new, compelling features for our customers. We talked about offering a roughness offering during the pitch. We did launch it that year. So a lot has happened, I think, that was very positive following 6 Sense.
I guess we have some interesting stuff we may want to tell people as to what's actually transpired recently and where the journey between Hexagon and GelSight may be continuing. So just if you can share a little bit of details.
Absolutely. We're very excited about what we're announcing today. After basically a year of working with different people, business units, sales organizations, and with your help, Milan, navigating the organization, we're really happy to announce today that we've actually formalized a partnership agreement between GelSight and Hexagon. That's going to basically help us now we have a framework, to allow both entities to promote each other's products and solutions. But for GelSight in particular, now there is a framework for Hexagon salespeople to sell GelSight products as is if they'd like. And it's also ready for the future, meaning that the same agreement will also be the same agreement when we have integrated solutions, which is what we pitched a year ago. So we're very excited about that, because finally the foundation is there between the two companies to go towards something that generates revenues for both of us.
Thank you, Youssef, for telling us kind of how this has helped GelSight. And I would say, from perspective of 6 Sense, this is exactly what we typically look for. These relationships like Hexagon and GelSight are rare, but these are the reasons why we actually like to do this stuff. And this is why I kind of look forward to having you here and keep on working and doing things in the future.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.